Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Forsim. Today I will introduce my plasma cutter for you. And today my main purpose is first to introduce the whole machine. Second, I will introduce how to connect the plasma power and the main machine for you. And the third we want to do is I will teach you how to use the plasma machine. Okay, now the first I will teach you. I will introduce the whole plasma machine. Okay, this is a plasma gun. Plasma gun. Here inside, look inside. This is for the adjustment. The first one, it is for the height. You can adjust the accurate height. Usually it is 100. Look, usually it is 100. So don't care about it. Usually 100. If you use the very big, very thick steel, you may make it bigger. If a little thin, you make it a little smaller. Okay, but usually 100 around it. This is a water teeth. This is the teeth. You put the steel on top, and this is the water tank. You put the water inside. The water will absorb the smoke and to cool down the temperature to make safety. Look here. This is a controller box. Controller box. Okay. Here is a controller. We use a start controller. Very professional for plasma, and they are all English buttons. Very easy and very professional for use. Okay. Next, I will introduce the plasma source for you. Today I will introduce the 200 for you, how to use and how to connection. Okay, here, this is also for the circuit. You need to cut just like the adjustment on the torch. They're similar. You need to adjust together. This is for the look. This is for circuit, big or soft, or smaller. Usually it is around 100. It depends on your steel thickness. Okay. Look, this green light. The first green light is for the power on. Second green light is for the air pressure. The third one is introduced. This is the water. If it is green, it means the water. Okay. The last one, don't care about it. And this one introduced already. And the first button, this is for the unlocked. Now it's on top. The second one, the top is water cooling. The second is air cooling. This power, we use the water cooling, so also on top. This is the cutting. This is the test cutting. So we usually use the cutting here. So that means all these three, they are on top. Okay? Now let's introduce the plugs. The first plug is for the power. This line you need to connect here. This line is for the acro line. These three cables here you need to connect one by one. Okay? Because you use different plug. So if even you connect the room, it cannot connect there. It will be very easy. Okay. Now let's introduce the back. Let's go to the back. This is the general power. This connect outside your factory power. This cable for the connect your factory power. This is for the general power off, power on. Okay. Look here. This is for the air tube. This is for the water. One is water inside. One is water output. Okay. Look back. Here is the water chiller. So you need to connect them. Input to the input. Okay. Input. Look. To the input. Output. To the output. Okay. So connect this. Now another thing is here. This is the ground wire. You need to ground on with your machine here. Okay. 好了。Okay. Now this is our controller. Now let's introduce our controller. You can see when you open the screen, here has my company name, Forcing CNC. This is my company website, and there will be a lot of videos and photos there. If you need more information, you can load it on our website. Okay, now I will introduce here. This is the auto menu, and mainly speaking, we usually use the first two. Now I will introduce one by one. First, we check the menu. We press F2. Okay. Look here. The first one is the speed limited. Speed limited, it means, and what's the speed machine moving? Okay. Now you can change it. If you press L1, okay, you can setting the limited switch. Okay. The number 2, L2. This is a high speed. High speed. What does it mean? For example, if we press L2. Now it's high speed. That means the L1 limited speed. The high speed is 8,000. Okay. If we press 8, it means the low speed. Then the low speed is 1,000. Okay. Now here we also have another key 4. Arc. This is arc testing key 4. Yes, arc testing key 4. When you press it, you can test your gun, your plasma has the arc or not. Okay, now we introduce the gun up and down. Look here. Gun up, gun down. Then it's here. This is the gun up, gun down. When you press it, the gun will be up. Then you press it, the gun will be down. Okay, and then you need to make your machine back home. F8. Okay, then press again, F8. Then the machine will be back home. And then press the green. Then F8. Okay, then green. Then you can see the machine is back in home now. Right? That means every time you start the machine, you must use the back home first. Yeah, now it is back home. So we also, now I would like to show you also the gun up, gun down. Now look, I show you, I press it, gun down. Okay, you can see I press gun down. You can see here, gun down, right? Similar, if I press up, then the gun will be up. It will be adjusted according to your steel thickness. After we setting everything well from the menu, now we need to back to the home page. Ask. This is a home page again. Now we have some photos inside. Now I teach you how to find it. F6. Look, in F6 there are a lot of photos. For example, if we want to use one photo for you, for example, if we want to cut this one, okay, now we need to set it, find it, choose it. Okay, if for example we set the 42, now we need to save it, okay, F8. Okay, you can choose here. Here is a size setting. You can set everything according to your details. And look here. Look here. Here, the triangle here. That means the gun will be start from here. The gun will start from here. Okay. If everything we set well, then we save it. F8. Save F8, save as, okay, then F7. Here you input the name. For example, we setting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For example, if we set 1, 2, 3, 5. Okay. Okay, we need to press F1. See here, CNC disk. F1, CNC disk. Oh, okay, then F7. 1, for example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Okay. 下一步计算。现在这个。蓝，确定。Okay. Now we confirm. Look here. We see here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? Then we still here. Then now we can back. We need to back home page again. Now we how to find it? F1 from the auto. Okay, inside the we also something introduced. Also here L1 speed limited. This speed limited, it means the machine traveling working speed. L2 also. L1. Okay, we just setting at L1 is okay. Now we need to find the photos where it is. F5. Load. Okay. Remember we choose 1, 2, 3, 5 just now. Then we find it. F5. Okay. Now we open it. F8. Okay. Find it. F4 preview here, preview F4. You can hear. Here is the photos. Now, if we want to cut, then you just put the things where it is. Put the studio where it is, and move the machine to the place. Then press the green start button. Then press it. Then the machine will working. Later I will show you. Okay. Okay, just now we just use the photos in the controller. If we don't use the controller photos, how should we do? Now we need to use the USB, right? Now you here input your USB, okay? Now also auto. Here, then also F5 load. Okay, do you remember just now? And we find here from the CNC disk. Just we load here. If we use the disk, U disk, USB here, okay? U disk, you just press F2. Then you can find the programs, which one you want to cutting, and the same operation. Thank you.